Open Gemini in your web browser. Here I have selected fast model. Also here message is appearing fast is now powered by 3 plus. Try it. Through this drop down menu you can select different types of model. These models have different capability. Gemini 3 models are more intelligent and versatile as compared to older models. Now firstly I am trying to create a image. Click on this option and type your prompt for image generation. Image generation in progress, and you can also notice how much long time Gemini taking to complete a process. Here image is generated by Gemini Nano Banana model. Also you can check quality and definition of this image. Detail of every point in this image is clearly visible. So this is example of Gemini intelligence. Now I want to add comic style in this image. Here I am typing a prompt to turn this image into comic style theme. Gemini is loading Nano Banana Pro and our image will be ready in few seconds. So here you can see our image is created by Gemini based on comic style theme. Wow! Check out this quality created by Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. Now we will try Gemini View 3.1 video model and look what type of changes or productivity will be done by View 3.1. Here I am typing a prompt to generate video. Wait for some time and our video will be ready. Video is generated by View 3.1. Now I will download this video and then I will show you. Click on this download icon. Now check out final video. Now we will check Gemini 3 Flash model analyzing power. Here I am uploading previous downloaded video to analyze, and I will also type prompt to analyze that video. Select upload files and here is our video. I have added this video in Gemini and now I am typing prompt to analyze this video. Here Gemini fast model completed analysis based on this video, and here is the observation of Gemini fast model. You can read this. Model is defining every detail of that video generated by Veo 3.1. Here this model defining every key details related to Gemini 3. Now I am selecting canvas and let's see how Gemini 3 improvement implemented on this feature. So Here I am typing a prompt and my prompt is create a app like YouTube. Gemini is creating our app based on our prompt. Here you can see our app is approximately ready and currently it's in running mode. Soon preview will be available. Wow, check out this app. It's totally looking like YouTube. You can check out functioning of particular app. You can see this page is looking like YouTube homepage as we always see in YouTube. You can also add AI feature in this preview model by clicking on this Gemini icon and feature will be implemented on this app. Now check out this app after implementing Gemini feature. For example, if you will click on any thumbnail, video preview animation will work here. Again you can see I am clicking on different types of thumbnail. It's looking like I am operating YouTube. Here we will check these like and other button is working or not. So let's click on this like icon. Here you can see like icon is working and ask AI button is also working in preview. By implementing different types of techniques and creativity, you can create much better apps. Here you can see we can also write comment in this. So in this video we have seen different types of amazing creative improvements in Gemini 3. If you want to see more videos on Gemini 3, post your comment in comment box and I will try to make videos on that topic.